Hello everyone. So responding to LinkedIn post and their comments has just gone super easy with ChatAthena. Suppose this is my post for today. I made the post and I got LinkedIn comments, right? The way I have trained ChatAthena to respond this comment is very easy. What I do, I copy the comment. For example, this one. I will copy this directly into ChatAthena. This is already my workspace. I was responding to comment and I will say just add this line here, personalize and respond. Everything that you see here is just copy paste, exact copy paste from there. So personalize and respond, Brian Sully. And the way I would do is I will copy this part as well. So until here, everything. Okay, so copy this. It also contains who is this person, right? Little headline, and this is comment. And the way I have optimized because I have this basic, so it's also following my previous conversation, right? You can see the previous one. And when I say personalize and respond, Athena will respond, and I'm even using the basic 3.5 version, the ChatGPT 3.5 version without any fancy stuff, right? So the comment was on the post and start Athena responds, hello Brian, thank you for sharing your expertise in helping businesses expand their revenue, right? So this is also what Brian do. It automatically personalize from this line, you see, and once it personalize, so it's a very personalized comment. We completely agree with you that refining the strategy and utilizing digital marketing methodologies are crucial to achieve growth. That is in response to the comment that Brian made, right? And Athena further adds, so we at Chat Athena are excited to offer businesses our AI-powered hypnotic conversational AI tool that can help them create a strong emotional connection with their target audience. Our tool can help businesses create high-value content that can engage their audience and build brand loyalty. We believe that combining your leadership coaching with our technology innovation can lead to powerful results for business. So you see your leadership coaching. So this person, you see, is out of site leadership. You see, this is coming from the text that you have header text. You can read it here back. So in the question revenue, our off-site leadership team meeting with refine your strategy to maximize the proven digital marketing methodologies. And along with all the research that we have in the backend, Athena take the person's LinkedIn information, personalize the response, right? And write in a way which is a genuine human written response to this comment. Of course, I'm not blindly posting this. I also sometimes need to rewrite it. But the more I respond these comments, more better Athena get in responding new comments. That's what I have seen so far in my setup here. Hope you enjoyed this little tweak. Next time when you have a post and you need to respond, you can really train Athena and she will be happily responding all the comments that you get on your post, and she will be nicely engaging your target audience. Okay, let's keep it crushing.